Okay, good morning. I just wanted to go through one of the questions that featured in your topic assessment the other day. So this is a geometrical simultaneous equation problem. So we've been given a pattern that's made up of identical rectangular tiles. So I guess that is kind of key to the issue, is all the tiles are the same. And we're asked to find the total area of the pattern. Let's not forget that, because some of you tend to stop after you've kind of found the x's and the y's and you don't answer the question. Righty, so we've got a length here that is 7 centimetres. What's it made up of? It's made up of a height of a tile and a width of a tile, if you want to think about it that way. And what do we call the unknowns in this problem? We haven't found out what the height or width of a tile is yet, so let's call them x and y, right? So let's call the width x and the height y. So 7 centimetres is made up of y and an x. So here we go then. So you know how I like to label my equations. Equation 1 then is x plus y is equal to 7. Now simultaneous equations mean we need 2. We're never going to be able to solve the problem if we've got one equation but 2 unknowns. So we need another another equation to solve for the extra unknown. So what's going along the top? So we've got a y here, and an x here. So 2 y's and an x is 11. Although given that we want to line all our x's and y's up, what we'll say is I've got an x and 2 y's is 11. So now we've got simultaneous equations. We've got 2 equations. I want to get rid of one of the variables. So one of the unknowns, one of the letters. So we've got the same number of x's and not the same number of y's. So it's going to be the x's we want to get rid of. So we can do that by subtracting. But if we think about it, if we do that, we're going to have y take away. That's going to be a negative y. I think that's going to be a bit, a bit minky-manky. So let's flip those up the other way. It'll make our lives a lot simpler. We'll do equation 2. Take away equation 1. 2y is 11. X plus y is 7, take away x is nothing, 2y take away y is a y, 11 take away 7 is 4. Excellent, we have found one of the unknowns. Okay, so part 2, we're going to substitute, and we're going to substitute into the simplest equation. That's going to be equation 1. Okay, so we've got x, don't know what x is yet. I've got plus y, y was 4, and that equals 7. Okay, so we'll get rid of the 4, which will leave me with x is equal to 3. Okay, now beware, we are not finished. Okay, I want the total area of the pattern, so let's have a think about area. For one tile, that's going to be 3 centimetres times 4 centimetres is 12 centimetres squared. How many tiles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. So we want the area for 4 tiles now. So here we go, 4 tiles. It's 4 times 12. 48 centimetres squared. So our answer over here is 48.